TV shows that did not deserve to get cancelled. Number one, Warrior. Peak action series. It initially got cancelled as season 2, but the fans spoke out. It got renewed for season 3, and then sadly, it did not get renewed for season 4. Now, this explores, ancient San Francisco with the Chinatown and the American part of the town with gangs and rivalries and all that. Number two, Deception. Two identical twins. They are magicians, and then one got arrested for murder, and then the other one is trying to exonerate him by working with the FBI. Number three, Into the Badlands. This is peak cinema on TV, but sadly, we did not get a good conclusion to a very great show. Number four, The Company You Keep. Oh my God, this is underrated and underappreciated. It explored two people, a conman and a CIA, in which their work lives begin to intertwine with their relationship. Number five, Scorpion. This is a show about a bunch of geniuses, solving cases and also their interpersonal and intrapersonal relationship. For more videos like this, please hit the follow button. Peace.